Sulfuric acid ionizes in water in two steps as follow. So la sulfuric acid udonate iproton lapha sibe no H3O plus la uyaluza uluza iproton abe more negative, then lo u-H2O uyagain iproton suka ku-H2 uya ku-H3O plus. Now kusho ukuthi u-H2 ngesibhale uyi-acid ngoba uyaluza, lo uyagaina uyi-base, lo beyi-acid ngapha seyi-base ngapha, lo beyi-base ngapha seyi-acid ngapha. So njengoba eno-negative laphayana, njengoba eno-negative laphaya la usho ukuthi useyibhesi usengakhona ukwamukela u-hydrogen kodwa still usanayo u-hydrogen oyedwa, kusho ukuthi sengakhona ukunikela ngaloya hydrogen noma ukudonate ngawo. Nakho la uyi-acid uno-hydrogen, nangulo uyi-base, la lo beyi-acid useyini seyi-base, seyini la lona obeyi-base useyini seyi-acid. So define the acid in terms of Arrhenius theory. The acid is the substance that increases the concentration of hydronium ion in water or in aqueous solution. Now they say write down the name or formula of a substance that can act as an ampholyte in the above equations. Give the reason for the answer. So usungabheka-ke laphaya umuntu okwazi ukuba yi-acid aphinde abe yi-base at the same time. Check-in la loyana laphaya uyi-base le equation engenhla, kule equation engezansi uyi-acid umuntu oyedwa, uyi-base ngenhla ngezansi uyi-acid. So i-answer lana ubani? u-HSO4 minus HSO4 minus HSO4 minus. Now they say the Ka value for two acids are as follow: oxalic acid and carbonic acid. Ama-Ka values wakhona. Bathi-ke oxalic acid ionizes in water according to the following balanced equation. Okay. Oxalic acid ionizes in water according to the following equation. Lana-ke bathi write down the formula of two bases in the reaction. So loya udonate-ile la kusho ukuthi ube yi-acid, lo ube yi-base noma usuka ngapha uza ngapha kuye ku-edeka u-hydrogen kusho ukuthi wamukelile. Uma esengapha useyi-acid kusho ukuthi lo yini uyi-base. So each equation write down the formula of two bases in the reaction. I-base u-H2O nobani no-COO 2 minus. Iwona ama-base womabili lawa. Now, but which one, oxalic acid or carbonic acid, will have a higher conductivity? So check in the Ka value. 5,6 times 10 to the power of minus 2 mkhulu kuno-4,3 times 10 to the power of minus 2. Okusho ukuthi u-oxalic acid um will have a higher conductivity. Isizathu esiphi? Une-higher Ka value. Then iphuzu lesibili oqala sithe oxalic acid iphuzu lokuqala to high Ka value. Bese sithi since ene-higher Ka value kusho ukuthi i-strong acid. I-strong acid yenzenjani? Ionizes completely in water. So iwona ama-example noma ama-reasons esingawabeka ukuthi why isikhetha oxalic acid. Okokuqala sibuka i-Ka value yakhe, that ne-Ka value enkulu kusho ukuthi angakhona ukukhondaktha kahle electricity, kusho ukuthi udissociate completely. Udissociate completely kusho ukuthi ngamanye amagama ufoma i-concentration enkulu yama-product. Ukhumbule phela uma ngabe sifuna ukwenza i-Ka value ibe nkulu noma ibe greater than 1, kufanele sifome ama-products amaningi, ama-reactant abe mancane. Khumbula ifana no-Kc. Once i-concentration yangenhla yankulu, yangezansi yancane i-concentration, then u-Ka uzoba mkhulu, meaning we are forming more product than reactant. So lokho kwenzeka nini? Kwenzeka uma ngabe i-acid is strong, i-ionizer completely. Okay. Now, but which one? Okay, sesiyiphendule lo question level. Bathi-ke water is added to a 0,01 mole per dm cube solution of hydrochloric acid. How does the addition of water affect each of the following? Choose from increase, decrease, or remain the same. How does an increase in the volume of water affect the strength of the solution of hydrochloric acid? The strength, noma singa-add amanzi amangakanani, uma ngabe inakhuzana u-HCl strong uzo-remain abe strong. So i-strength sa-hydrochloric acid sizo-remain the same. So la i-answer bani to remain the same. Now, the concentration of the solution of hydrochloric acid. So, i-concentration yona izo-decrease as we are adding more water. Must add amanzi amaningi. So, kwenzakalani? Ama-particles noma ama-number of moles azogcina emancane in proportion to the volume of water. So amanzi azogcina emaningi, ama-number of moles abe mancane. The most add ama-number of moles, the more just add amanzi. Fana noma senza ngabo ujuice. Ujuice uzogcina uzwela kancane uma ngabe si-add amanzi amaningi. So nangapha i-concentration kuzoba kanjalo. So khumbula ama-number of moles will remain constant while you are adding more water. So isigcino will have less number of moles in proportion to the volume of water. So yingakho-ke i-concentration izoba njani? Izoba noma izo-decrease. Answer la i-decrease. Isizathu yiso leso ukuthi will have less number of moles in proportion of water or in proportion to the volume of water. Yeah. Less number of moles in proportion or say the number of moles will remain constant while the volume increases. So when you bengasho njalo, the number of moles or the volume increases while the number of moles remain constant. Bengasho kanjalo. That's why concentration is a decrease. Now, a solution of hydrogen carbonate of a volume of 250 cubic centimeter is prepared by dissolving X grams of sodium hydrogen carbonate in sufficient distilled water in a volumetric flask. Now they say They say 20 cubic centimeter of the prepared sodium hydrogen carbonate solution neutralizes 12,58 cubic centimeter of sulfuric acid solution of 0,29 mole per dm cube. So into eyenzakalayo lana kuthathwa here we have a volumetric flask. Noma ngithi kanje. Okay. Now, bathatha u-250. Okay. La bathatha u-sodium hydrogen carbonate. Bayamfaka la. Imass yakhona bayifakayo X grams. Bamfaka laphaya. Then, besebenza njani? Bese be-add amanzi. Agcwale laphaya enze ivolume obani ewu-250 cubic centimeter. Bese kulo 250 cubic centimeter bethathe u-20 kuphela. Bethathe u-20 kuphela. U-20 cubic centimeter kabani? Ka-sodium hydrogen carbonate. Nange u-sodium hydrogen carbonate. Bamreact-ise nobani? Okay, ngiyathanda ukuthi ngiyibhale le equation. Inkinga isikhali ngezokuba naso. Okay, H2SO4 noma ngibhale khona la. Ngenze ipeni libe lincane. So bathathe u-12,58 cubic centimeter. I'm not sure kuyabonakala lokho. Senza kanje. H2SO4 namhlanganise no-2 NaHCO3 vele ngizodinga ama-reactant kuphela. Okay, bathathe u-12 walo, 58 cubic centimeter ne-concentration yakho ku-0,29 mole per dm cube. Then kulo bathathe u-20 cubic centimeter kulo ya 250 bamreactisa nobani? No-sulfuric acid. Ngase bekwenzile lokho, eh, okay, sesiya-understanda leso statement leso. Sebethi define the equivalent point. Define the equivalent point. Now, so to the point, equivalent point is the point at which the acid has completely reacted with the base. That is equivalent point. Now they say calculate the concentration of sodium hydrogen carbonate solution that neutralizes H2SO4. Now it says for the concentration of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Neutralize ubani? Neutralize u-H2SO4. So soza kanjena. Kuzofanele sithole ama-number of moles ka-H2SO4 areacte no-sodium hydrogen carbonate. Bese sisebenzisa i-stoichiometry ukususa lama number of moles siwalethe ngapha. So already sinayo i-volume ereacte no-H2SO4 sishoda ngama number of moles bese sicalculate ini i-concentration ka-sodium hydrogen carbonate e-neutralize u-H2SO4. So sesingayenza-ke leyo nto leyo. So indaba yethu iqalaphi? Iqala la ekutheni asicalculate ama-number of moles ka-H2SO4 azolingana nobani? No-CV. Kahle kahle qhamuka kule formula ethi C is equal to number of moles over volume. Othisha abaningi bathanda ukuthi usubstitute kuyo i-equation njengoba injalo ungayishintshi. But ngokubuka amamemo nathi sesigcina siyashintsha kodwa nje kumnandi uma usubstitute kwi-equation njengoba injalo. Okunye futhi okumnandi ukuthi ngathi singabhala kanje masi-calculate ama-number of moles vele ukuthi awabani lama-number of moles esiwafunayo. So 0,29 singakhohlwa uku-convert i-volume 12,58 times 10 to the power of minus 3. Masithanda times ngo-10 to the power of minus 3 ngoba i-volume ethi i-convector sisema-dm cube. Kunalokho si-divide ngo-1000 masingafuni ukuthenza ngo-10 to the power of minus 3. Divide by 1000 so senza into efanayo. So 0,29 times 12,58 times 10 to the power of minus 3. Usikhiphela 0,0036482 mole. Stoichiometry sithini sithi 1:2. So uyasho-ke H2SO4 is 2 NaHCO3 1:2. Now we have 0,0036482. Kahle kahle futhi nala uzogcina uno-2 into 0,0036482. Mawuthanda unga-cross multiply zona na same thing. So ama-number of moles ka-NaHCO3 so about 2 times zoba u-0,0072964 mole. Sesinama number of moles sinayo volume ereacte no-H2SO4 sesingayi-calculate ini i-concentration. So concentration ka-NaHCO3 lingana number of moles over volume. So lokhu kuyafana nalokhu nosimo othanda ukubhala isimo othanda ukubhala lokhu. Ama-square brackets are represent the concentration. So number of moles 0,007294. I-volume u-20 times 10 to the power of minus 3. So the concentration. 0,3648 mole per dm cube. So that is the concentration of sodium hydrogen carbonate that reacted with H2SO4. Okay, engingathanda nje ukuthi ngikubhale lapha yazongisiza kakhulu. The question elandelayo, ama-number of moles 0,00729 mole of sodium hydrogen carbonate. Naw sengingasula lokho okunye. I-question elandelayo ithi calculate X, the mass of sodium hydrogen carbonate used to prepare the initial solution of sodium hydrogen carbonate. So sifuna ukuthi kusetshenziswe imass engakanani ukuprepare leya solution leya. Kusebenze imass engakanani. So lama number of moles esinawo aku-20 cubic centimeter. Lo esinithathe laphaya. Fanele sazi ukuthi u-250 cubic centimeter uphethe ama-number of moles amangaki ka-NaHCO3. Siyazi ukuthi u-20 uphethe lawa. Sefanele sithole ukuthi yena u-250 uphethe ama-number of moles amangaki. Sizokwenza kanjena-ke. Before, so angithi fanele sithole ama-number of moles wala, sithole i-molar mass yalapha. Sithola ama-number of moles aloya ku-250 bese so-calculate i-mass. So asikwazi ukusebenzisa nama-number of moles ngoba lama-number of moles aphethwe u-20 cubic centimeter. Fanele sithole ama-number of moles aphethwe u-250 cubic centimeter. So sesizothi-ke 20 cubic centimeter contain 0,00729 mole. Bese sithi u-250 cubic centimeter contain X mole. Now, senza njani siya cross multiply. Loya times loya, loya times loya. Sesizoba no-20. Angithandi ukusebenza ngama-unit, but ngizosebenza ngawo khona ngifuna ukukhombisa khona. 0,007296 mhlambe ngawabhala nje lawo njengoba ngishilo ngithanda ukusebenza ngama-unit mole. Kahlahla awaveze ama-unit aveze ekugcineni. Cross multiplyile u-250 cubic centimeter. So sesizodivide ngo-20 cubic centimeter. Sidivide ngobani? Ngo-20 cubic centimeter. So loya ukhansela loya. Cubic centimeter khansela ama-cubic centimeter. Then kuzosala ama-moles kuphela. 0,00726 times 250 divided by 20. U-0,09075. Omunye uba confused uthi enganisazi ukuthi lo uya-convert. Since ngapha u-20 cubic centimeter nangapha u-20 cubic centimeter bese ngekho isidingo sokuthi si-convert-e. Still bese sothola i-answer kodwa noma si-converting. Eh, a- 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 Akuyenzi sense ngoba vele sizodivide ngayo le volume and ama-unit azokhanselana, u-cubic centimeter uzokhansela u-cubic centimeter. So awa-affect ama-unit we-final answer yethu, lama-unit we-volume la. Now, sesitholile ukuthi u-250 uphethe nama-number of moles while u-20 uphethe lama-number of moles. Sesiyawazi kahle kahle ama-number of moles alapha kuleya solution isaphelele singakathathi u-20. Sesiyitholile. So sesinama-number of moles sesinga-calculate-a molar mass ka-NaHCO3. I-periodic table akufanele siyikrem kodwa khona u-sodium ko-23 lapho nje. Sodium 23, u-hydrogen 1, u-carbon kufanele abe u-12, u-oxygen 16 times 3. Then imolar mass yala 23 plus 1 plus 12 plus 16 times 3. 84. 84 grams per mole. Now we have the number of moles and the molar mass. We can find the mass. Number of moles is equal to mass over molar mass. Number of moles 0,09075. Molar mass 84. So mass NaHCO3 is over 84 times 0,09075 is over 07,623 grams. That will be the mass esiyisebenzisile ukukhanda ini layer solution. Kwesinye isikhathi siye sithi standard solution or the solution of the known concentration.